Cambodia on Thursday launched longan exportation to China, marking another fruitful cooperation in the agricultural sector between the two countries. Speaking at the launching ceremony, Cambodian Minister of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries Dith Tina said practical cooperation in agriculture has promoted the development of Cambodia-China friendly relations, and friendly relations between the two countries have also provided good development space for their agricultural cooperation. The minister said China has been the largest export market for Cambodian rice for several years, and since 2019, Cambodia has been approved to export bananas, mangoes, bassa fish, corn and longan to China. Tina said it is believed that more Cambodian agricultural products will be allowed to be exported to China in the future for the benefit of the two peoples. For his part, Chinese ambassador to Cambodia Wan Wen-tian said that in recent years, under the care of the leaders of the two countries, agricultural cooperation between China and Cambodia has shown great vigor. The ambassador said cooperation between the two countries in the field of animal husbandry has also been fruitful. The two sides have reached an agreement on a memorandum of understanding on cooperation in veterinary drugs, veterinary biological products and feed additives. Tina and Wan jointly issued licenses to 8 Cambodian packaging plants for exporting longan to China.